Good afternoon and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian. You can contact me on 01476 560 599. Thank you very much for your recent inquiry on the Elegance 480 2020. Thought I'd take this opportunity just to send a short video over to you of exactly what that caravan looks like and what it has to offer. So here is a good look at the new Elegance 480 2020. Elegance range benefiting from the ATC trailer control system, making for a far safer and secure tow. That wonderful finish on the front locker box in the carbon fibre sort of finish as such. Exterior barbecue point and exterior side access hatch underneath the front couch area with exterior 230 volt socket. Here's a good look at the decals of the Elegance 580. So as we step inside the caravan itself, the first thing that you notice as a unique change for 2020 is the double side opening fridge. Very tall, very large, very easy usable fridge. But actually, as I mentioned, opening on both sides, so making it very unique and bespoke. Here's then moving throughout a good look at the 2020 fabric scheme that Swift have selected for the Elegance range. Full set of carpets, which we don't put down in our display model, otherwise they'll get a bit mucky and it would take a fair bit to get them washed and cleaned. A couple of scatter cushions and then a good look at the grey finish on those wonderful curtains. Fantastic two-toned gloss wood locker doors with a large hecky light in the lounge area and that panoramic sunroof at the front, letting a huge amount of light into the caravan. As we step round, you can see the side extension board there in the kitchen area and that wonderful grey worktop. 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric with oven and combination grill and easy usable height microwave. Also benefiting in the Elegance range from the Omnivent in the kitchen area and a wonderful mirror as you step inside with the Swift Command and Alder wet central heating system. A beautiful chrome finish on the bathroom door. So we're just about to move into the bathroom area to give you a real good feel for exactly what that has to offer and what that looks like. So a very spacious individual shower cubicle with water saving shower head and also drop down hanging rail. You have a vanity mirror in the Elegance bathroom area and also a couple of speakers with a nice hecky light and very spacious sink area with plenty of storage underneath and also a very large storage wardrobe here with your Alder tank in it and hanging rail and plenty of space inside the wardrobe itself with some well cut out shelves. So that gives you a good feel for what the Elegance 480 2020 has to offer. If you have any queries or questions, as I said earlier, you can contact me on 01476 560 599 or you can email me at brian@granthamcaravans.co.uk. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video. I really do hope we can do business together. Bye bye now.